It is raining. The sky is gray. Emilia goes to the market. She looks at the umbrellas. She likes a red umbrella. It is very smart. It costs $10. Emilia is a student. She doesn't have much money. I can give you $7 for that umbrella, says Emilia. Okay, young lady. This is your lucky day. Give me $7. The umbrella is yours, says the shopkeeper. This is my lucky day, says Emilia. She holds the red umbrella above her head. The rain falls on the umbrella. Emilia goes to a cake shop. She wants to buy some cakes. Her little brother loves cakes. She goes into the shop. She leaves her red umbrella near the door. It is quiet inside the shop. Emilia chooses 3 small cakes. She talks to the shop assistant. In that time, a customer is leaving the shop. She is a young woman. She is holding a cake box. Emilia is going to leave the shop. But where is her umbrella? There is one umbrella near the door. It is not a red umbrella. It is not Emilia's umbrella. This umbrella is old and black. It has a pattern of yellow ducks. It is not smart. Emilia takes the umbrella. This is not my lucky day, says Emilia. Emilia walks to the town square. A young man speaks to her. Hello, he smiles. Emilia does not know this young man. She walks away quickly. The young man is following Emilia. She walks into a crowd of people. The young man follows the black and yellow umbrella. Hello, wait, shouted the young man. Emilia turns. She looks at the young man. She is angry. Go away, she says. The young man is sad. Olivia, I'm sorry, he says. I'm very late. I'm not Olivia. Emilia shouts. You are not Olivia, says the young man. He points at the black umbrella with yellow ducks. That's her umbrella. Oh, says Emilia. Who is Olivia? I don't know Olivia, says the young man. I'm going to meet her. We are going to have coffee. It is my cousin's idea. Olivia works with my cousin. I am not Olivia, says Emilia again. My cousin has a photo of Olivia, says the young man. She's tall. You're tall too. Her hair is long and blonde. Your hair is long and blonde. In the photo, she has an umbrella. It's a black umbrella with yellow ducks. You have a black umbrella with yellow ducks, says the young man. Emilia looks up at the old umbrella. Olivia is a thief, she thinks. She has my new red umbrella. Emilia is angry again. Please don't be angry, says the young man. He looks at his watch. It's 3 o'clock. Olivia goes to work at 2:30. I can't meet her now. It's too late. He smiles at Emilia. Let's have a coffee together, he says. Emilia thinks for a moment. Okay, she says. Let's go to my aunt's cafe. The young man smiles again. That will be great, he says. My name is Edward. I'm a law student 3rd year. I'm Emilia. I'm a student too. I'm studying science. Emilia sits in the cafe with Edward. They drink coffee. They talk. They laugh. They laugh and talk. Suddenly, Emilia jumps up. Oh no, she says. It's late. I must go home. I must study. I'm going to have an exam tomorrow. Good luck. Will you meet me again? Asked the young man. Yes, answered Emilia. That will be nice, says the young man. It is almost dark. The town square is quiet. Emilia sees a tall young woman. The young woman has long blonde hair. She has a smart umbrella. It is a red umbrella. The young woman is Olivia. Olivia sees the old black umbrella with yellow ducks. She is worried. Suddenly, her face is red. Don't worry, says Emilia. Keep my red umbrella. I like this umbrella. It's a lucky umbrella. This is my lucky day. The rain falls on the umbrellas. Emilia smiles. Then she runs home. Thanks for watching and listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel Storytime with Anita to keep up with my upcoming videos.